Good evening, bargainers. And tonight, we get smart. Hey, did I startle you?
To death.
Still fumbling for your keys. You need an upgrade.
What is that?
For all of those who are well acquainted with this atrocity, me personally, I'm dealing with this. Much better. But today, I do one better. We get smart. Keysmart. So now you're probably asking yourself, what exactly is Keysmart? Well, Keysmart is an innovative way to never lose your keys ever again. So, what the Keysmart actually has, as you can see here, Bluetooth tracking technology. It locates your keys on a map and it holds up to 10 keys. Now, it isn't much, but 10 keys, it's something. Compared to this, I'll take this any day of the week. And it has that nice, sleek design. So let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, you have nice design over here. Actually opens up over here, which is nice. Okay, take that out. Oh, there we go. That's all there is in the box. Instruction manual. And it uses a towel system or a towel app, so to help you find your keys. This little instruction manual right here, and the keys itself. Let me take this out. Pop this bad boy out, and here you have it. Nice little flashlight. Look at that. Oh, it actually stays on. So it's not just a simple press. It's actually press and hold. It stays on. How do we turn it off? I don't know yet. I haven't got to that point yet. I should probably read the instruction manual, but I'm not there yet. So we're gonna leave that on for a little bit. So this is how it is so far, straight out the box. Of course, you have the little slot right here to charge it. Oh, there you go, turned off. To charge it. And I would assume that it doesn't require a lot of charging time. This is really, really nice, to be honest with you. And I'm so used to having little to no keys around. But this right here will make things a little bit easier. And for those who are prone to losing their keys, this should help you a lot. These are nice little finger, or I would honestly use a penny to take these out, because that's the same thing I have on my original keys. As you can see, I simply use a penny to take them out. So what I went ahead and did is I took apart my old keys compared to the new Keysmart key fob, and there's not much of a difference other than this one you're using extenders, and this one just comes with one screw. Other than the price, you're gonna be looking at, for the white one, I believe it's $48, and if you want to get the black, it's about $50. So if you want to pay a little extra to get the black color, it's great. This one you're looking about, I want to say $20. $20 is how much I pay for this. But again, you're getting GPS tracker with this. You get a nice little flashlight and a nice little notification. So if you want to find your keys, you can go ahead and grab your phone, and your phone will ring your keys. And if you have your keys and you've lost your phone, you can do the exact opposite. Ring on your keys to find your phone. So now we're gonna go ahead and set her up. We mix this first. Let's make sure she is charged completely, or at least just enough power. to get us through here. Recommended to charge it as soon as it gets out the box. So we're gonna just give it a charge. There you go. All right. So as that's charging, I'm gonna go ahead and set her all up. So we took the liberty of downloading the Tile app. Okay. So now that's we signed up, it says us to click the button once. Click the button once. Okay. I'm one of those old Game Boy colors. Click the button once. Once it begins to activate, it plays a nice tune. It's a Keysmart Pro near your phone, so go ahead and place it near your phone. There you go. It's activated. That's pretty much it. Tap find to ring your tile. So we're gonna go ahead and oh wow. Okay. Thank you. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and start putting in the keys. Put the keys into place. I think I'm gonna go with this method because it looks kind of nice. There you go. And give it a nice little screw in. There you go. Of course, kind of loose right now. So what you'll do is keep screwing it in. A little thumb screw, so it's kind of easy to screw in. Shouldn't give you that much of a headache. Screw it in. But there you have it. That simple. You have all your keys here. You know, I have my key here. My key. I have this little bottle opener here. I have my two main keys that I use, and my hard drive. Simple. And if I were to ever lose it, I can go ahead and activate the GPS with my phone. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think. Tell me your honest opinion. Is it worth the time, and is it worth the money? If you want to show support to my channel, simply hit the notification bell, like or dislike this video depending on how you feel, and feel free to comment on what you think I should review next. And most importantly, subscribe, share this video with friends or family or whomever you think would really enjoy this. It's fun, it's free, and who doesn't like free? I know I do.